Hello, my topic is the causes of changes in Earth's temperature and subsequent consequences. My name is Siki Yao. The main reason of global warming is the greenhouse effect. It is a process by which thermal radiation from a planetary surface is absorbed by atmospheric greenhouse gases and is re-radiated in all directions. Greenhouse gases include CO2, CH4, N2O, and other fluorinated gases. And this is the graph about the greenhouse effect. There are many sources of greenhouse gases emission. The electricity production accounts for 33% of greenhouse gas emissions. The transportation accounts for 28% of greenhouse gas emissions. The industry accounts for 20% of greenhouse gas emissions. Commercial and residential accounts for 11% of greenhouse gas emissions. Agriculture accounts for 8% of greenhouse gas emissions. Land use and forestry accounts for 14% of greenhouse gas emissions. Global warming has many serious impacts. The global warming is now accelerating the rate of sea level rise, increasing coastal flooding risks to low-lying communities and high-risk coastal properties. Wildfires are increasing and wildfire season is getting longer in the western U.S. as temperatures rise. Dangerously hot weather is occurring more frequently. This increase in heat waves creates serious health risks and can lead to heat exhaustion, deadly heat stroke. Climate change also has significant implications for our health. Strong scientific evidence shows that global warming is increasing certain types of extreme weather events, including heat waves, coastal flooding, extreme precipitation events, and more droughts. As temperatures increase, more rain falls during the heaviest downpours, increasing the risk of flooding events. Rising temperatures and the accompanying impacts of global warming has significant implications for crop and meat production. Global warming has the potential to seriously disrupt our food supply, drive costs upward, and affect everything. Spring arrives much earlier than it used to, 10 days earlier on average in the northern hemisphere. A changing climate affects the geographic range of planets and animals, changing their behaviors and causing disruptions up and down the food chain. Temperatures are rising in the planet's polar regions, especially in the Arctic, and the vast majority of the world's glaciers are melting faster, and then new snow and ice can replenish them. There are many things we can do about the global warming. First, reduce the amount of gas you burn. Second, buy efficient appliances and use less electricity. Third, reduce everyday electrical use. Fourth, purchase a fuel-efficient, low greenhouse gas vehicle.